Ladies and gentlemen, our next presenter is a student from Class 4A, Eleanor Lim. She will be sharing an original poem entitled In My Shoes.
In my shoes, I walk a little slower because I'm afraid of tripping where
The words are right there on the paper. It's not like you needed to memorize.
You know, I actually read her poem the other day, and it was not bad.
because
What a
I'm afraid
waste.
of-
What a waste.
Thank you, Eleanor. Sometimes our nerves just get the worst of us at the worst times, yeah? But again, that was Eleanor Lim from Class 4A sharing In My Shoes. Let's encourage her as she keeps growing.
I'm afraid of tripping where because I'm afraid of I'm sorry for messing up, Mom.
It's okay, Elle, such things happen.
Then why are you still watching it?
This brings me back, When I was your age, I also hated speaking in front of people.
You? Seriously?
I was in this exact same situation.
Then how do you do it with all your business presentations?
When I was in university, there was one time my partner was sick on the presentation day, and I had to present in front of the whole class all by myself. And of course, I froze. My lecturer saw this problem and he started to drill me. Every day, small steps, until my body stopped panicking.
Sounds brutal.
But it worked. I want you to get that help now, not later.
Hey boy. Yes, you come back here. Where is my order? Repeat again. Properly. Or you want me to go back there and make myself?
One
What did you say?
kopi o kosong.
You talking to me or you talking to the ants on the floor?
One kopi o kosong, right? I'm making it right now, boss.
Thank you. Hey, your son here very blur one lah. Ask him to go home better lah. Don't come here and waste everyone's time lah.
Guy, I told you so many times, right? Look at the customer when you speak.
I did.
No. You're staring at the table, muttering to yourself as usual. Wake up.
In my shoes, I walk the same ground as others, but my path feels heavier to carry. We may wear the same shoes, stand in the same places, yet our fears do not walk the
Hey.
same way. I have stumbled.
Do you want to try?
That's Elle.
Yup, that's her. You go to the same school, right?
She froze in the hall. She had stage fright.
People change fast when they practice in the right room.
How?
Come in. One round.
And I'm still here.
Take a seat. Nobody here is going to bite you. Okay. I'd like you to give us your name and one sentence telling us what's going through your mind right now.
Your son here very blur one lah. Ask him to go home better lah.
Look at the customer when you speak.
Bro, you can do it.
Hi, my name is Kai, and I want to do whatever she just did.
Nice. Of course you do.
You saw a new standard. And now, you want it for yourself. That's normal.
L, 1 minute. Let's run it back.
In my shoes, I walk the same ground as others, but my path feels heavier to carry. We may wear the same shoes, stand in the same places, yet our fears don't walk the same way. I have stumbled where no one noticed, paused where others kept going, and I'm still here.
Yes, that's it. Kai, again, 10 seconds. Don't worry about sounding smart. Just say it.
Hi, my name is Kai, and I'm tired of feeling like I'm a problem.
That right there is why you're here. I can work with this. Let's get cracking.